Lean Daily Management Suite is an application to support daily operations of the factory floor through a visual representation of the plant. In Lean Daily Management Suite, you can take immediate action to manage the incidents occurring around the 4 M's: machine, material, method, and man. Let's log into the application as a plant manager or a line manager. At the top of the screen, the homepage of the application shows a dashboard with aggregated OEE data for the plant. In the center, it shows a 3D visualization of the plant. Every workstation is tagged by a node. If there is an incident, the color of the node indicates the severity of the issue. Using the camera view listed in the drop-down menu, the user can quickly navigate to a specific workstation. The right panel shows an overview of active and closed incidents sorted by severity and time. When the plant manager notices an incident, they can navigate to the specific workstation on the 3D model. Click on the corresponding node and identify if the issue is associated with machine, material, method, or man. Clicking on the specific M takes them to the corresponding tab on the workstation page, where they can see the details for the issue, as well as other relevant information needed to take necessary action. The Overview tab on the workstation page gives the corresponding OEE related measures like availability, performance, and quality at workstation level. On this tab, they can also view other information like a summary of the 4 M's. More details for each M are available on the specific tabs. The Machine tab shows all the equipment related information like station name, ID, process, status, runtime, cycle time, etc. You can view the image of the workstation here. It also shows a graphical representation of the important measures along with their threshold limits. The Material tab shows all input material related information like lot number, quantity, expiration, as well as charts to assess material quality and availability, for example, temperature, tank fill, viscosity, or any other parameter that's relevant. The Method tab shows all the checklists associated to required processes for the workstation. Lastly, the Man tab gives information around the workers for this workstation, like current shift employee, upcoming shift employee, as well as information on the last 10 shift workers. On the left panel, the required skills for this specific workstation are listed. Navigating back to the incident on the Material tab, when we click on the Incident Details button, we can see auto-filled information for the incident like the severity, description, reason, etc. The plant manager can click on the Solve Issue button to send the ticket to the associated application. In this case, Complex Material Management, as this ticket relates to tank fill of the material at the workstation. The Material Manager clicks on Send to Material Handler to send this issue to the Material Handler, who then prepares the new material lot and resolves the issue. Log out of Complex Material Management to return to the Lean Daily Management dashboard. For each of the 4 M's, this template can be connected to pre-existing Mendix templates on the Mendix Marketplace or any existing application that the organization is already using. For instance, here, the machine issues are redirected to Maintenance and Field Service Management template. Material issues are redirected to Complex Material Management template for resolution by the Material Manager. Method incidents are sent to Checklist to Go template on Mendix Marketplace, and man-related incidents are resolved through Workforce Management template. Lean Daily Management Suite is built in Mendix, a low-code platform which allows you to quickly build and customize applications to match your needs. Let's see how we can make a change to Lean Daily Management Suite using Mendix Studio Pro. Let's log into the application and open the workstation details of OP020. This is a robot arm workstation. Some of our workstations, including this one, have video feeds available in KVS we would like to be able to view in the Machine tab of the workstation in Lean Daily Management. Let's start by opening AWS IoT TwinMaker to verify our workspace configuration. This is the AWS IoT TwinMaker console for Kinesis video streams provided in every new workspace called com.amazon.kvc.video. We already added this component to entity OP020 and configured the name of the KVS stream. We're now ready to switch to Mendix Studio Pro. This is the Lean Daily Management project in Studio Pro. We're ready to create a button on the Machine tab to view the video stream. open snippet underscore workstation details underscore machine and add a new column in the layout grid next to machine. Add a new widget called microflow button and create a new microflow called ACT underscore machine MB NP underscore show KVS. Set the button caption to live video. Add the camera underscore white image as the icon and set the button style to primary. Now we can finish the microflow ACT underscore machine MP underscore show KVS. First, add the user module role to the allowed roles so the user can call the microflow from a page. Add a new microflow call action and select TwinMaker configuration underscore get or create. This will retrieve the current configuration and credentials to connect to AWS IoT TwinMaker. Add another microflow call action and select KVS Media Player Helper NP underscore get KVS stream name. This is a microflow supplied by the KVS Media Player integration module of Lean Daily Management. We configure all the parameters which are already available in the microflow. Next, we call our last sub-microflow KVS Media Player Helper NP underscore create, also supplied by the KVS Media Player integration module. We configure all the parameters and return to the KVS Media Player Helper NP object. This object is used by the widget to fetch the video stream. Finally, add a show page activity and select the video widget pop-up from the KVS Media Player integration module and pass the KVS Media Player Helper NP object we just created. This finishes the microflow. Run the module and navigate to the machine tab OP020. We can see the button we just created. If you click the button, a pop-up opens, displaying a live feed from the camera of workstation OP020. This demonstrated how fast a change can be made in the Lean Daily Management Suite using Mendix by retrieving and rendering a video stream directly from AWS KVS in a Mendix widget. The solution can be fully adapted to fit other possible applications. It can be customized to other plants or facilities, incorporate data from additional sources, and integrate with other applications to solve incidents.